Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Chase Freedom Flex card, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Chase Freedom Flex card, start by gathering your account information. Log into your Chase account online or open the Chase mobile app. Locate the account for your Chase Freedom Flex card. Before moving forward, check your rewards and outstanding balance. Make sure to redeem any points or cash back you want to keep. If you have an outstanding balance, pay it off to avoid interest charges. Next, find the contact number for Chase customer service. You can typically find this on the back of your card or on the Chase website. Call the customer service number and follow the prompts. When a representative answers, inform them you wish to cancel your Freedom Flex card. They may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. Be prepared to answer questions regarding your account. After confirming your identity, request to cancel your card. The representative may provide options or offers to keep your account. If you're set on canceling, confirm your decision with them. Once your cancellation request is processed, ask for a confirmation number. Make sure to confirm any final billing details if applicable. Finally, remove the physical card from your wallet and discard it securely. Monitor your account statements for any further activity or charges. Keep an eye on your credit report to ensure everything is accurate post-cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.